Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Use 3 eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach, 2 tablespoons butter, and 1 tablespoon milk. This combination yields a silky scramble with bright greens. Season with a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper so flavors balance without overpowering the spinach. Wash and dry the spinach and roughly chop if leaves are large to ensure even distribution. Whisk eggs and milk until homogeneous for even texture and a slightly creamier mouthfeel. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat to control coagulation. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a skillet over medium-low heat to create an even cooking surface and gentle steam for the spinach. Add spinach and cook 30 to 60 seconds until wilted. This preserves color and nutrients while releasing a bit of moisture. Pour whisked eggs into the pan and let them sit briefly. Then fold gently with a silicone spatula until soft curds form and they reach a custardy consistency. Remove from heat just before fully set because residual heat will finish cooking the eggs. Remove eggs from heat when slightly underdone because carryover cooks them to the right doneness and prevents rubbery texture. They should look glossy and barely set. Garnish with optional grated cheese, chopped herbs, or a squeeze of lemon to brighten the dish and add 1 to 2 additional flavor dimensions. Serve immediately with toast or salad for balance. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 48 hours and reheat gently in a skillet over low heat to avoid overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.